Hello, I'm in a 2012 Ford Focus SEL, and today I'm going to show you how to connect and delete devices from your Bluetooth, typically people with their phones. So if you have a display similar to this, then this tutorial should be helpful for you. So first step, you got to turn either on the on position or all the way on your vehicle. I'll turn mine all the way on. You wait just a few moments for this all to load. In the meantime, you want to have your device handy that you're going to connect with. And it needs to be Bluetooth capable. So usually you'll have something like this on the top, the little Bluetooth icon. You want it highlighted so it's on, and then get to the screen where you can add new devices. So we're there. And then from this screen, there's actually two ways to get to the area you need. Once this finishes this little loading thing, there'll be a button here you can push that takes you to the phone settings. We can wait for that. I'll show you the other in the meantime. These gears, it takes you to settings. So from settings, go to phone, and then once that loads, lots of options you can change if you want, but Bluetooth devices on the top. Then here you can add or delete devices and such. So we'll do the add a device.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So then you'll take your device, pair new device, and then it should say something like capital SYNC for sync, which we've got showing up here in the list. Usually they'll ask for
confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Usually either have to type or just confirm those numbers, which it is in fact the same. So you confirm on your phone as well as on the car. And that should be it. It should be paired after that. And here in a moment I'll show
you
you
your safety. Please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
That's a fair point. Yeah, you shouldn't be doing all this while driving. Now, let's say you want to delete a device. I'll show you how to get to this whole screen from the other way. So the home button. So it's connected to my phone now, so that we'll just turn off my Bluetooth from my phone. So then here, there's going to be a phone button here. The other way we got to that screen was from here. So connect phone. And then here's a list of a bunch of phones. Whichever one. I'll select one random one to delete. So I'll hit the delete button here. Yes, delete. That's it. You can do it to all of them or none of them if you want. But that's the whole process. I hope this was helpful for you. I'd appreciate a like and subscribe if able. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day.